Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring subject versus object pronouns. I versus me, we versus us, they versus them.
These small words confuse many learners.
But they're actually very simple once you understand the pattern.
Using them correctly makes your English sound natural.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each one.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what pronouns are.
Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition.
Instead of saying John, 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 we say he.
There are two types of pronouns we're focusing on today.
Subject pronouns and object pronouns.
Subject pronouns.
Subject pronouns are I, we, they, also he, she, it, you.
These are used when the subject does the action.
The subject is the doer in the sentence.
I walk to school. I do the walking.
We love pizza. We do the loving.
They are happy. They are the subject.
Subject pronouns come before the verb.
Object pronouns.
Object pronouns are me, us, them, also him, her, it, you.
These are used when the pronoun receives the action.
The object receives something or is affected by the action.
She called me. Me receives the call.
He helped us. Us receives the help.
I saw them. Them receives the seeing.
Object pronouns come after the verb or preposition.
The key difference.
Subject pronouns equal doer before the verb.
Object pronouns equal receiver after the verb.
I versus me.
I is the subject form.
Use I when you are doing the action.
I am happy. I work here. I love music.
Use me when you receive the action.
He called me. She gave me a gift. They saw me.
Also use me after prepositions. Come with me, this is for me, between you and me.
We versus us.
We is the subject form.
Use we when a group including you does the action.
We are students. We went shopping. We like it.
Use us when the group receives the action.
They invited us. She taught us. He told us.
Also use us after prepositions. Come with us, it's for us, between us.
They versus them.
They is the subject form.
Use they when others do the action. They are my friends. They work hard. They arrived.
Use them when others receive the action. I like them. We saw them. She called them.
Also use them after prepositions. Go with them. This is for them. Talk to them.
Let's see all 6 pairs together.
Subject, I, we, they, he, she, it.
Object, me, us, them, him, her, you, it.
Notice you and it are the same in both forms.
That's why they're easier.
But I/me, we/us, they/them, he/her, she/him change.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, my friend and I are going to the movies. Do you want to come with us?
That sounds fun. What are you watching?
We haven't decided yet. Maybe an action movie?
Great. I love action movies. My brother loves them too. Can he come?
Of course. We'd love to have him join us.
Perfect. What time should we meet you?
The movie starts at 7. Can you meet us at 6:30?
Yes, I'll tell my brother. He'll be excited.
Excellent. We'll see you and him there.
Did you notice all the pronouns?
My friend and I are going. I is subject, doing the going.
Come with us. Us is object after preposition with.
What are you watching? You is subject.
We haven't decided. We is subject, doing the deciding.
I love action movies. I is subject.
He loves them too. He is subject, them is object.
Can he come? He is subject.
We'd love to have him join. We is subject, him is object.
Join us. Us is object, receiving the joining.
Should we meet you? We is subject, you is object.
Meet us. Us is object.
I'll tell my brother. I is subject.
He'll be excited. He is subject.
We'll see you and him. We is subject, you and him are objects.
All used perfectly.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1, using me as subject.
Wrong. Me and my friend went shopping.
Correct. My friend and I went shopping.
Subject pronouns before the verb.
Mistake 2, using I as object.
Wrong. She gave the book to I.
Correct. She gave the book to me.
Object pronouns after prepositions.
Mistake 3, between you and I.
Wrong. Between you and I. This is very common, but wrong.
Correct. Between you and me. After between equals object.
After prepositions, always use object form.
Mistake 4, wrong pronoun with and.
Wrong. Me and him are friends.
Correct. He and I are friends.
When using and, both should be subject or both object.
Mistake 5, using us as subject.
Wrong. Us students are tired.
Correct. We students are tired.
Subject position needs subject pronoun.
The simple test.
Not sure which pronoun to use? Try this test.
Remove the other person from the sentence.
Example. John and I or me went to the park.
Remove John. I went to the park or me went to the park.
I went sounds right. So, John and I went to the park.
Example, she gave it to John and I or me.
Remove John. She gave it to I or she gave it to me.
She gave it to me. Sounds right. So, she gave it to John and me.
This test works every time.
Position in the sentence.
Subject pronouns. Before the verb.
I run. We dance. They sing.
Object pronouns. After the verb or preposition.
Call me. Join us. See them.
After prepositions, with me, for us, to them.
Position is the key.
Politeness and order.
When using yourself and others with and.
Put others before yourself, more polite.
You and I, not I and you. My friend and I, not I and my friend. John and me, not me and John.
Others first shows good manners.
After prepositions.
Always use object pronouns after prepositions.
Common prepositions with, for, to, from, between, about, without, except.
Come with me, us, them. Never I, we, they.
This is for me, us, them.
Talk to me, us, them.
Between you and me, never between you and I.
After prepositions equals always object form.
When both are subjects.
When using two people doing the action together.
He and I are friends, both subjects.
You and we should work together, both subjects.
They and we will collaborate, both subjects.
All before the verb is subject pronouns.
When both are objects.
When two people receive the action together.
She invited him and me, both objects.
They helped you and us, both objects.
I saw her and them, both objects.
All after the verb are object pronouns.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences using subject pronouns correctly.
Day 2. Write 10 sentences using object pronouns correctly.
Day 3. Practice the remove the other person test.
Day 4, identify subject and object pronouns in a book.
Day 5, practice sentences with and, you and I, you and me.
Day 6, notice these pronouns in movies or conversations.
Day 7, explain the difference to someone else.
By week's end, you'll use them automatically.
More examples with I versus me.
Subject, I. I am a teacher. I love coffee. I can help.
Object, me. Tell me the truth. Give me time. Listen to me.
After preposition, for me, about me, without me.
More examples with we versus us.
Subject, we. We are ready. We studied hard. We will win.
Object, us. They called us. She taught us. Join us.
After preposition, with us, among us, except us.
More examples with they versus them.
Subject, they. They are students. They work here. They left early.
Object, them. I like them. We invited them. Call them.
After preposition, to them, from them, near them.
Comparing all three pairs.
Subject sentence. I, we, and they are going.
Object sentence. She invited me, us, and them.
Mixed. We saw them, and they saw us.
Using multiple pronouns correctly.
In comparisons.
After than or as, use subject form.
She is taller than I, am, not than me, in formal English.
He runs as fast as I, do, not as me.
Though than me is common in casual speech.
Formal, subject form, casual, object form acceptable.
Emphasis and clarity.
Sometimes we add myself, ourselves, themselves for emphasis.
I myself saw it. We ourselves did it. They themselves agreed.
But that's reflexive pronouns. Different topic.
For now, focus on subject versus object.
Common fixed expressions.
You and me against the world. Object after preposition.
It's me. After to be, often use object in casual speech.
Between you and me, always object.
Just between us. Object after preposition.
Understanding verb to be.
After to be, formal English uses subject pronouns.
Formal. It is I. That was she.
But casual English uses object pronouns.
Casual. It's me. That was her.
Both are acceptable depending on formality.
Most natives use object form in casual speech.
Detailed practice scenarios.
At school or work.
My colleague and I finished the project. Both subjects.
The boss gave the assignment to my colleague and me. Both objects.
We and they will collaborate. Both subjects.
They asked us and them to attend. Both objects.
Social situations. My friends and I went to the party. Subjects.
She invited my friends and me to dinner. Objects.
We had a great time with them. Us, subject, them, object. Family contexts.
My sister and I are close. Subjects.
Mom gave my sister and me presents. Objects.
She loves us very much. Us is object.
Understanding let's.
Let's is short for let us.
Let's go equals let us go.
But we always say let's, never let we.
This is a fixed expression.
Commands and requests.
Object pronouns in commands.
Help me. Tell us. Show them.
Commands use object pronouns.
Give it to me. Bring it to us. Send it to them.
Double object sentences.
Some sentences have two objects.
She gave me the book. Me is indirect object. Book is direct object.
He told us the truth. Us is indirect object. Truth is direct object.
I showed them the pictures. Them is indirect object.
Both objects use object pronouns.
Understanding it's me versus it is I.
This confuses many learners.
Formal, traditional, it is I, subject after be.
Casual, modern, it's me, object, what most people say.
Same with that's him, casual, versus that is he, formal.
In everyday English, use object form after be.
It sounds more natural.
Negative sentences.
Pronouns work the same in negatives.
Subject, I don't know. We can't go. They aren't here.
Object, don't tell me. He didn't help us. She can't see them.
Same rules apply.
Questions.
Subject pronouns in questions.
Can I help? Should we leave? Are they coming?
Object pronouns in questions.
Did she call me? Will he join us? Can you see them?
Position determines which to use.
Making comparisons.
Informal comparisons use subject form.
She is smarter than I am.
He works harder than we do.
They arrived earlier than we did.
The verb is often implied.
Casual speech often uses object form.
She's smarter than me, common in casual speech.
He works harder than us.
Both acceptable in different contexts.
Reflexive pronouns connection.
Don't confuse with myself, ourselves, themselves.
I did it myself. Reflexive. Action returns to subject.
We did it ourselves.
They did it themselves.
That's a different pronoun type.
Today we focus on subject versus object only.
Cultural note.
English strongly emphasizes subject-object distinction.
Some languages don't mark this difference as clearly.
That's why it can be challenging.
But the pattern is consistent.
Master it once, use it forever.
Building automatic usage.
The more you practice, the more automatic it becomes.
Soon, you won't think about it. You'll just know.
Read English books and notice the patterns.
Listen to native speakers.
Practice speaking with correct pronouns.
Correction builds muscle memory.
Final practice exercises.
Choose the correct pronoun.
John and I or me are friends. John and I, subjects.
She gave it to John and I or me, objects.
Are we or us students are smart? We, subject.
Between you and I or me after preposition.
Can you help they or them? Them, object.
Are they or them coming? They, subject.
How did you do?
Quick review.
Subject pronouns I, we, they, and he, she, you, it.
Object pronouns me, us, them, and him, her, you, it.
Subject is doer before the verb.
Object is receiver after verb or preposition.
Test. Remove the other person to check which sounds right.
After prepositions, always object pronouns.
Politeness. Put others before yourself.
Between you and me is correct.
Practice makes perfect.
You now understand subject and object pronouns completely.
This is fundamental grammar that you'll use every day.
Keep practicing and it becomes automatic.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. My friend and blank went shopping. Fill in I or me.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.